Today I'm showing you how we made one of our best-selling burgers at our top 100 restaurants in South Africa. It's our vegan chicken burger made with pulled seitan from my favorite plant-based range by Herbivore. I'm Vanessa Jarvis-Findlay, multi-award-winning vegan chef, and this is how we do it. We start with a toasted bun and iceberg lettuce, and there on top of it goes the beautiful tomatoes. And for this particular one, for the chicken burger, we put on red onion. I love red onion. It's one of my favorite little morsels to have on my burger. I really, really love it. Okay, and now for the homemade vegan mayonnaise that we made. We made this mayonnaise with plant milk. I think it was soy milk we made it with. It's so creamy and so yummy. And here we're going to add in our delicious pulled chicken from Herbivore. Guys, look how yummy this is. Okay. Try and get them to stay. Anyway, you get the point. I'm going to just help clean up the situation. Okay. And now for the pièce de la résistance. We add in a slice of pineapple and then very generously your cheese sauce. I mean, guys, look at this. Don't be shy, right? If you ever had one of these at our restaurant, please comment below and tell us which one you preferred. Was it the chicken or was it the beef? And if you've enjoyed what we've been creating, please won't you do us a favor and like and subscribe. We'd love to see more of you. There you go.
This one is my favorite.
Huh? You love it?
So delicious.